Do you hear her ripping this? Now she's sticking her hand through it.
Yeah, I show that all the time.
Oh my god, look at those scary teeth.
She can make a big hole too.
You better move faster, Sam.
Oh, seriously?
Look at, she's already getting out.
Okay, so rat.
And then I'm going to freak out. I know why, because she smells the peanut butter in the jar.
No, she doesn't.
Uh-oh, that's the black one. Now they're double teaming it. Oh. How do you get them both at the same time? Surprise! Oh, shit.